Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. This video demonstrates how to configure the Voxtelesys SIP trunk with a registration. SIP trunks are what would allow your PBX to communicate with the public phone system. Without trunks, you would only be able to make calls to extensions that are directly connected to your PBX. From the 3CX Management Console, click on the SIP Trunks tab, then click on the Add SIP Trunk button. Select US as the country, Voxtelesys as your provider, and your primary DID number in the main trunk number field. Voxtelesys supports national, E164 No Plus, and E164 calling formats for 3CX dialing. E164 is the required format for the 3CX SMS. We'll use E164 formatting in this video. Our 3CX template should default the domain name to 3cx.pstn.voxtelesys.net in the registrar field. If we provided you with a unique domain name, you can enter that in place of the default domain. Type in the number of SIM calls, which is the call limit provided by Voxtelesys. The type of authentication should be set to register/account-based. Enter your provided username in the Authentication ID field and your password in the Authentication Password field. Scroll down to the Route Calls To section. This is where you'll choose how 3CX will route inbound calls for your provided DID. Click on the DIDs tab and copy the main DID number. Click on the Caller ID tab. Paste your main DID in the Configure Outbound Caller ID field. When you're finished, click on the OK button in the upper left. You'll see a green dot next to your SIP trunk if everything is configured properly. If there's a red dot, please refresh the trunk's registration. If it remains red, then it's possible that it's set up incorrectly. If you're still having issues after making the required changes, contact Voxtelesys support. The support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.